Every viewer makes a split-second decision about a new channel's credibility. When a sub count moves from 999 to that first 1K, it signals to a stranger that a community has already vetted your work. That K is the first tangible piece of social proof that makes a viewer feel safe enough to click subscribe themselves. I reached that exact milestone myself, moving from 0 up to 1,000 subscribers in exactly 15 days. Most creators struggle for years because they rely on the upload and pray method. They push out videos and wait, ignoring the 4 structural blind spots in their channel strategy that quietly repel potential fans. Reaching that milestone requires identifying and removing the exact points of friction that cause the algorithm to stall your growth. The first major error is the free traffic blind spot. Most creators ignore the community tab entirely or use it to spam raw video links. That approach suppresses your reach and gives current subscribers a reason to leave. The algorithm treats community posts like a separate ecosystem. To reach new feeds, you need high engagement formats. That means replacing promotional links with knowledge testing quizzes, interactive community polls, and relatable holiday posts. These encourage a quick click. This area chart tracks my subscriber growth, sourced exclusively from the community tab. Over time, those simple interactive posts generated a peak of 16,000 subscribers, all without the effort of filming a single second of video. Attention is only step 1. The second blind spot is ignoring the binge factor. The data reveals that 80% of viewers watch 3 to 4 videos from a creator before they feel confident enough to subscribe. You have to build an induced view chain. By linking a relevant video on the end screen, you remove the decision-making process for the viewer and pull them into a continuous content loop. When executed correctly, the audience feels the effect. These are real comments from my viewers, describing how they got stuck in an end screen loop or stayed up late watching videos. Growth requires designing the viewer's experience to encourage high engagement and binging, triggering the subscribe reflex. Moving from retention to acquisition brings us to the third flaw, the content blind spot. Amateurs guess what might go viral, while successful channels use data to find what already is. Using tools like the vidIQ browser extension, you can hunt for an outlier video. These are specific uploads that pull in 10 to 100 times more views than that channel's baseline average. Look at this line graph representing a channel's normal average views. The flat trend is shattered by a massive spike, a 100x outlier. That shape indicates the video's topic hit a deep nerve. You study why it worked, then translate its pacing and hook structure to replicate the result. But pulling in massive traffic exposes the final structural error, the conversion blind spot. If a viewer clicks your outlier video, likes it, and goes to your channel page only to find an unoptimized layout, they leave without subscribing. Fix this conversion drop-off using a simple visual checklist. Generate a clean, modern logo, add a clear, valuable banner, unify thumbnails with brand colors, and stick to a single font. This pie chart visualizes my channel's total traffic sources. Notice this massive 30% slice separating from the rest. That represents over 200,000 subscribers who joined specifically because they visited a polished channel page. Outlier concepts get eyes on your work, but a cohesive visual identity is what converts that attention into a long-term subscriber. These systems rely on one another. You discover new traffic through outliers. You hook attention through view chains. You maintain contact via the community tab, and you establish trust with consistent branding. Systematically applying these 4 steps aligns your channel with how the platform actually functions. But while these fixes solve the subscriber problem, they only represent half of the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. You still have to clear the final hurdle, accumulating 4,000 hours of watch time. To solve that problem right now, click the video on your screen. YouTube growth is a continuous series of strategic actions. Your next action starts with that click.